No matter how they happen, downtime, data loss, and data corruption can have a severe short-term and long-term impact on a business. Whether the event is malicious, based on a natural event, or attributable to human error, the far-reaching effects of an IT disaster are avoidable by being prepared. Scale Computing HyperCore Virtualization Suite provides the tools you need for disaster recovery. Immutable snapshots and cloning. Most modern backup approaches go hand in hand with snapshot technology to provide a stable, unchanging point-in-time image with which to do a backup. Instead of defending or protecting, they reduce the impact and spread of an attack by not being affected by it in the first place. Snapshotting technology facilitates easy point-in-time recovery by instantly capturing all the VM disk contents and configuration when the snapshot is taken. From there, individual snapshots can be cloned and powered on in seconds, and will include all the data from the time the snapshot was originally taken. DR site. Many organizations have more than one site, and one of these sites may function as a DR site. Location is important. The farther the remote site, the better protected the data becomes, because some natural disasters affect entire regions. If a suitable remote site is available, then on-premise DR may be more cost-effective. Specialized scenarios. Built-in disaster recovery features provide a complete and effective strategy for most organizations, but some require more specialized disaster recovery. Due to specialized workloads or specific compliance needs, some organizations may choose to deploy agent-based backup agents on individual VM workloads. Scale Computing supports any in-guest backup agents designed to run on VMs on our supported OS platforms, Windows, Linux, etc. These agents generally interact with the application directly and create specialized backups for various recovery scenarios, or are more specialized in creating system-state backups for recovery between hardware and virtualization platforms. Scale Computing is committed to providing the best, most complete infrastructure solution in the market, including complete disaster recovery. Be prepared, stay resilient. Book your personalized one-on-one demo to see the Scale Computing HyperCore Virtualization Suite in action.